Whoa. So I downloaded this game on the App Store. It's the hit game, Flying Gorilla. From the hit game on the App Store, Flying Gorilla. It's Flying Gorilla from the hit game.
You know, the largest rocket ever built is set to launch in 2023. It is also privately owned.
This is Flying Gorilla from the hit App Store game, Flying Gorilla. This Flying Gorilla from the hit App Store game with the same name, Flying Gorilla.
If you're someone who hasn't tried the game Street Fighter, you've got to give it a go. This is the official Street Fighter.
Banana. 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 What? Why do I care? Why did I ask?
Flying Gorilla.
Because I did not ask. Where's banana? Banana!
Flying Gorilla.
Flying Gorilla. Banana wrap. Why do they think this is funny? Banana, banana. I'm going banana. It's like. I won. Do not care. Yes, banana, 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 banana. That's so sad. Nobody did. That stupid duck!
Flying Gorilla.
That stupid bird. The end. No! I pressed the button. Shut the freak up!
Flying Gorilla.
Banana Rush! Oh my god. This dumb game. Oh yeah! Flying Gorilla from the hit App Store game Flying Gorilla. Flying Gorilla. Flying Gorilla. Flying Gorilla? Oh no, Gorilla Man is not happy. Oh yeah. I don't think I was about to. What the fudge? Excuse me, what? Get this off of my screen! Dude, what even is this game? Twerk Race 3D. Why am I getting an ad for Twerk Race 3D? Why does anyone think that I would like this? Because I don't. Like, come on! I don't care about your Twerk Race 3D free play Inc. Like, this is why no one likes me. Because you make games like Twerk Race 3D. That was a dumb
Playing
decision.
gorilla.
What the? Okay, I was like, what? I pressed the button! Oh my god, I did not ask.
Playing gorilla. Playing gorilla.
Oh yeah! I'm just gonna end this video here. Actually, no, after this ad is done. No, I didn't wanna. I wanna get the coin. Alright. I'm gonna complete 5 more levels. That's 5 in Spanish. Then 5 more levels after this. Then the video's over. Oh, that's quite easy. Whoa! It changed lane. Hey, duck. Huh. Dude, I just knocked into that axe. That changed lanes. Oh my god, no one loves you. Go
Playing
away.
gorilla.
This is the 3rd level.
Playing gorilla.
Oh my god. Nobody asked positive
Playing
test.
gorilla.
Shut up.
Playing gorilla.
Oh my god, shut up right now. Oh yeah,
Playing gorilla.
Right, last level. Oh my god. No one cares about the game. Goodbye. Nobody asked. Goodbye.
Playing gorilla.
I'm in shock. Alright. We're done, boys. Alright. Remember to like, sub, turn notifications, comments, more videos like this. Goodbye.